Hey, it's Mr. Allred. We're continuing our discussion of using percents to solve some problems. So here we got the topic of discounts and sell prices. So generally, if you get a discount or something is on sale, it takes it off of the total price. So that's a subtraction. So we're going to have to find a percentage amount of the total or the original price and subtract it off. So let's see what we've got here. It says you find a sweater you like that is priced at $55, but you have a 15% off coupon. How much will you save with the coupon, and what is the sell price? So let's see here. The discount or how much you will save. So the discount, we're using that percent formula. We're going to save 15%. We'll write 15% as 0.15 in decimal form. And then it's times the $55. So let's see here. 55 times 0.15. We're going to save $8.25. So that is the discount amount, or the amount the coupon is going to take off. Let's see here. The sell price will be the original $55 minus the discount that we're going to have. So the original 55 minus the 825 we just calculated. I'm going to use my calculator. I'm not above that. 46.75. And that's the sell price. So what we found is it was originally $55. We're going to save 15%, which is $8.25. And then we will end up paying $46.75. All right. Tom's Furniture sells a bedroom set for $1,200, but a sign says that 12% off for all military customers. What will a member of the military pay for the set? So it doesn't ask us the discount, but we have to kind of go through there unless we know another way. So we want to find 12% of 1,200. So we write 12% as 0.12, moving that decimal 2 places or dividing by 100. Times 1,200. Let's see here. 0.12 times 1,200 is giving me $144. So that's how much this person is going to save. But the sell price for this person in the military will be the $1,200 original price minus the $144 discount. So 1,200 minus 144, 1,056. And that's the question that is asked. $1,056. Excuse me, yeah, $1,056. Okay, simple enough, but let's do one more. It's a little bit more confusing, and this is something that gets a lot of people because they don't calculate it correctly or don't understand what is being asked. But let's see here. Belk's is offering 25% off everything this weekend, with an additional 15% off if you come in before noon. Taking advantage of both discounts, what will the sell price be for a $120 pair? Ooh, no, we got to change this. Pair of sneakers. Okay. So let's see here. Now we're back. Most people will just take the 25 and the 15 and add them together and say, well, that's 40% off. But generally, that's not how these stores operate. Usually, they will take 25% off, get a new total, and then take 15% off of that. And I think we've got time to do both ways. So let's see here. Let's say we're going to do the 25% off first. So that means that the discount in this scenario will be 25%, which is 0.25 times $120, which is 30. So then we will take that 30 off of the $120. And that is $90. That's after the first discount. Okay, so now we're at a $90 range, and that's if we come in after noon. Okay, but we're going to take another additional 15% off. So here the discount will be 15%, 0.15 of 90. Let's see, 0.15 times 90. So now we're going to take off another $13.50. So the final price will be the $90 we're at now minus the $13.50, which should be, I hit the wrong button, $76.50. And that is the way it should be worked. Okay. So they take off 25%, and when they say an additional 15% off, they don't mean usually off of the regular price, they mean off of the discounted price. So let's try something over here, just to kind of show you the difference. I'll say it's the wrong way. Of taking 40% off. So let's see here. We could say that the discount this way would be 40%, which is 0.4 times the 120 would be $48. So the sale price would be 120 minus 48. So let me find that out. 120 minus 48, $72. So two different ways of doing that. So really, if they wanted to say 40% off, they could say 25% off, but if you come in before noon, we'll take 40% off instead. But usually when you have coupons, they accumulate, but they accumulate kind of in a progression, not like a addition. You can't take 10% off coupons and get something for free. It might take a little bit off each time, and the more total goes down, you might not see a big difference, but you'll see a difference over time. Alright, we're going to do something else in the next video, that is discounts and sales.